Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your Google account has Notebooklm access and that you've collected the source files you want to ingest. Once done, upload a focused set of documents, PDF, slides, or docs, and if large, compress into a single. Zip to keep processing faster. Make sure to name files clearly so Notebooklm can index sections correctly. You'll choose an objective up front. This early choice steers how the model summarizes, extracts facts, or generates study questions. Once your files are ingested, review the auto-extracted sections and correct any misreads so context stays accurate. Then craft prompts that state a role, scope, and length. For example, act as a study coach. Produce 8 bullet Q/A from chapters 2-4. Use 1 or 2 examples to show desired format, which dramatically improves responses. Also pin critical documents and reference page numbers when you need precision, because Notebooklm uses those anchors to prioritize content during generation. You finalize by iterating on outputs. Request tighter summaries, longer explanations, or source-cited answers until the result matches your goal. When satisfied, export to a Google Doc, download text, or copy snippets into your workflow. If things go wrong, first re-upload any corrupted files or split a huge document into smaller parts. Make sure Notebooklm has permission to read those files. If answers drift, tighten the prompt scope and explicitly ask for page-cited evidence to restore accuracy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.